Governor Tim Walz says that the state has met its COVID-19 testing goal.
Kate Raddatz shows us why he thinks it could be key to helping Minnesota avoid a spike, like other states around the country.
State health officials say having the capacity to test 20,000 Minnesotans a day for COVID-19 will give a more accurate picture of how much of the population may be infected.
The 7-day average positivity rate is 4.4 at this point, so we're watching week over week.
In Florida, the number was 3 times that Monday. Governor Walz says he feels part of the reason Minnesota is seeing a lower infection rate is partly due to adequate testing, tracking, and isolation.
If you go and look at states that are having problems right now, their percentages of the population that they tested is about 5% or 6%, instead of being at the 10% they need that starts to bend that curve.
Still, the leaders acknowledge some Minnesotans who want to get a test haven't been able to. The Minnesota Department of Health says they advise healthcare providers to test asymptomatic patients who may have been exposed.
Each individual private entity makes its own decisions about their capacity and what their priorities are.
On Monday, the number of patients in ICU was 140, the lowest in almost 2 months. Still, state health officials say they would not be surprised if cases start going up due to more people going out. Governor Walz said a statewide mandatory mask policy is not out of the question.
If you are for the economy opening up and for state to take away some of the limitations on your businesses, the surest way to do that is to wear a mask.
Kate Raddatz, WCCO 4 News.
The president of Mayo Clinic Laboratories also said he believes serology tests are now more accurate than they were first rolled out a few months ago. He said another goal is to determine how to use those type of tests to see if someone has made antibodies against the virus. 315 cases of the virus were reported in Minnesota in the past 24 hours. 10 more people have died. 315 cases were confirmed in Wisconsin, where nearly 800 people have died.